Good morning, class. In the last video, till our last class, we have completed the first exercise of fractions. So I'm moving on further to the next exercise, that is 2b. In this, there are different fractions like proper, improper, and mixed fractions given, and you have to do the operations like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Also, the different brackets. So you have to use full BODMAS rule in this exercise. As you have done this before, I know that. So you please remember the methods which you have learned in your previous classes. If not, still I have done some of the questions here. How to add and subtract the different fractions. That is only by the LCM method. We take the LCM of the denominators, and then the LCM method, I know you should be knowing it and you should know that also. So using that LCM method, we have to add and subtract the different fractions. I have done over here. You can see it on the screen, and accordingly you can solve it. Off means, here the question is having off. Off means to multiply. Times also means to multiply. And whenever we have a bracket, so we do not do any operation. First we do the operation inside the bracket only. First we open the bracket. So here small bracket is there. First I have deal with the bracket. There was subtraction of fractions, so I have subtracted them inside the bracket, then open it, and then I had changed the off into multiply. So this step-by-step method, if you will follow, you will surely get the correct answer. You will not get any answer wrong. Remember that. Third question I have solved. Here also you have a bracket, two signs inside a bracket. So remember, division is solved first and then minus. In a division sign, we always change it into multiply. Then the next fraction gets reciprocal, and then cancel it if you have a multiple. And then again using LCM method, subtract or add them, and you'll get your answer. Here I've done question number 4. You can see there are different mixed fractions. Change it into improper fractions. Then add the add the fractions taking LCM. And if you have a division sign, change it into multiplication. But remember, you have to reciprocal the denominator and then cancel it. You'll get your answer. Here also the fourth part I have done. You can see, if you find any difficulty, class, then you can ask me by messaging me personally. Okay. Here you have different brackets. Like first bracket is the bar bracket. So I have solved the bar bracket first, you can see. Then we have the small bracket and then the curly bracket. So you can see how I have done it, step-by-step method. You have to do with the same and you will get your answer. Okay. Here also, first the bar bracket, you can see taking LCM, we have add them. Then open the bracket, then curly bracket, they are divided. So first change the division into multiply and reciprocal. The fraction, you can see I have done over here. Okay. And then open the curly bracket. Then we have the square bracket. In this there is multiply first, so we have to solve the multiplication first. Here they were not cancelled, so I have simply multiplied them. 5 3s are 15, 2 8s are 16. Then we have addition, so by LCM I have add them, and then after opening the square bracket, off changes into multiply. There was the multiples, so I have cancelled them and then multiply, and then you got the answer. It is your choice, class. If you want to write the answer in mixed fraction, you can write that also. If you want to leave it as improper only, so you can leave that also. It is correct. If you leave 5 15 upon 4, that is also correct. And if you write 3 3 by 4, that is also correct. So do not worry about this. You'll get full marks for both answers. Okay. So I want that you should finish full exercise 2b in your classwork copy. And listen, this is very important. I'm saying that, class, please be careful with your work. You never know which new information you may get from the school. So do not take your online studies lightly. Take it very seriously and do finish all your work in your classwork copy. I'm giving a hint, kind of. Remember that what next information you are going to get, which may be a problem for you, especially for those who have not ever listened what teachers are saying, means those who have not even done a single work in their classwork copy, those who have not made only classwork copy. Those students are going to be in such difficult situations if those who have done this thing. So better start doing all your work according to date. Complete your work, finish it up till where it is taught by the teacher. Keep all your work up to date. So I hope you'll understand. Okay, so take it seriously and keep asking your doubts. Whatever queries you have, message me personally. And till then, take care and goodbye.